Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a digital vision board in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is to show you two ways to start creating your design. One way is to create a design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. And then the second way is to use the template at the mid left corner of your screen. Now, using the template option means subscribing to a wide array of existing templates that you can leverage to get a design of your choice. Now, I like to call this my most preferred option because it just makes my design process faster, easier, and better. Now, I'm going to use templates for this tutorial. So click on templates and it's going to take you to the templates window. Ta-da! Here you go. Now, right here in this templates window, at the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In this search bar, we're going to be very sincere with Canva so that Canva can give us exactly what we want. So what we want, a digital vision board, right? I'm so big on vision boards, by the way, but I like to use like the physical vision board. So there's a way we can get that digital one, then just sweet. So digital vision board. So here you go. Now Canva is going to display a wide array of templates for you. Now you're going to see really exciting templates, but don't get too excited because that exciting templates can be labeled Pro. Here you go. Some of the designs are labeled Pro. That means you have to click on Try Canva Pro, all right, to subscribe to the premium version. All right, but then there are others that are not labeled Pro, but they're free and they're sweet and they're cool. For example, this is one vision board that is not labeled Pro, so we can use this. So I'm going to click on that and here you go. I'm going to click on customize this template. So clicking on customize this template is going to take you to the editing suite where we can start manipulating a lot of design elements. Rather, we can manipulate the design elements to give us exactly what we want. So here you go. This is our editing suite and we see the elements are loading up. Once everything is set and good, we can now start designing. So the first step is to show you exactly what to use the slider for. So we have the slider at the bottom corner of the screen. If you take it forward, you're going to see that it's zooming. All right, zooming in and then take it backward and zooming out. So I'm going to take it to the level where I can see everything I want to use it for. So here you have pictures and says make it happen. So vision board, this person wants to have money. This person wants to go to the beach. This person wants to go here. This person wants to travel across the ocean. This person wants to own an apartment. This person wants to travel ocean, apartment, make it happen, vision board. So I think I like this vision, but then you can definitely change it to what you want. So this is make it happen. Let's change this. So double click, by clicking on the left button of your screen, and I'm going to say this will happen in 2024. So I'm going to head over here to decrease the font size because you can see it's already causing a very amazing disaster right there. So still decreasing it because it's not enough. So I'm taking it to 80. All right, so I can even now decrease it from here. All right, so moving this to align to the center. And I have my vision board. Vision board, of course, because it's a vision board. So with that, I have just shown you, I'm going to move this. So moving this is holding down the left button of your mouse and then just moving it to where you want. So with that, I've shown you how you can edit this, right? So just double click, that's left click, and then change it, change. I don't want to do so much changing or so much editing here, but I've shown you how to change the text, which is fine. So you can even change the font itself. This is not a serif, all right, display extra C. So you can change it to any of the fonts that you choose here, and you can definitely change the font size, make it bold, italicize, or do not italicize. Just have fun with this. So the next thing is you can definitely change the color of this back of the text, right? So click on this color and change the color of the text. Let's say we want to use this, or we want to use this, or we want to use this, or we want to even use the. So you can now change a white background to that color, and you see you're having this. Now that's one way. And then the next way is to change the picture. Now you can click on this upload option, all right, to upload a picture from your device, all right. Then I can just head over to elements, all right, to get pictures. So I'm scrolling all the way down to find pictures. These are photos. Photos are here. So I can just click on see all photos and see if I'm going to get really nice photos that I can change this to. So I just want to show you how you can change photos, and then of course change the placement of the photos. So let's say this is a photo and I want to change it. Okay, this is so I can just drag and drop to fit that. So this independence, let's see. All right, and then this whole thing, so I can even change this, all right, to this. So just drag and drop until you have your perfect. So this could be this, all right, and then this could be this, and this could be this. Money is very important, so money should be there. As you can see, the whole design is already piecing up, but this blue, the blue in this background here is just making the whole thing. So I'm gonna change that picture. All right, so we have this. So you can even change the color of the blue background if it doesn't really look fine. Like it doesn't really still look fine to me. So let's say I want to change to white, change back to white. So I can just click on that and see if I can change to white and change all. I think this is fine now. So you can just relabel by just clicking and then double click, change the words. Now how you can change a picture, click on the picture and then just move the picture, all right, to any other place. So I'm just going to undo by clicking on Control Z, all right, to undo, or you can click here to undo. So this is it, all right. I have my vision board ready, all right. All of these things are going to happen. So once you're done with the design, all right, you can now click on share. You can even change the placement of these words, right? Necessarily do not have to be there, so just change the placement of the words. So that's how you can change it, and then of course ensure that it's aligned. So this is it. So once you're done, click on share. Once you click on share, head over to download, choose the best download setting and get your vision board ready. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.